Hey everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana Crehan and I'm joined by our brand manager from Dainese, Damien Irwin. Damien, this is very exciting, brand new to the Dainese range, and safety of course is always paramount. Tell me about the Smart Air Jacket.
Well, this is brand new, as you said. So Dainese have been doing airbags for quite some time now, a couple of decades, and they're in the race suits, etc. This is the new Smart Air Jacket for the street. So very, very lightweight, very, very comfortable to wear, and something you can wear whether you're riding to the shops or on a full day ride.
I'm excited to hear about it. Just run me through a bit of an overview of the jacket before we go into the details.
Well, this is a protective jacket that is fully standalone, so it's not connected to your bike at all. There's a bunch of sensors in the back that read your movements 1,000 times a second, and it'll deploy in the case of an emergency. So this one here has an airbag all the way through the front here for your chest. It's level 2 front and rear, so it's the equivalent of 8 chest protectors and 8 back protectors, so a huge amount of protection when this deploys. But it's very, very lightweight, so it's only 1.56 kilos, so it's really easy to wear under or over any of your gear.
And I think that's what's important as well. You can wear it underneath what you're currently wearing or on top.
That's correct, yeah. So here on the side you've got little adjusters where we can open that up and you can put that over the top of your jacket, or if you want to wear it underneath, you just need 5 centimetres worth of gap in there in case it deploys, and then it gives you that protection.
Okay, let's run through how it works. It's all via an app, so we'll start with that one.
Yeah, they've updated it now. The old one you used to have to plug into a computer and run it through that. Now we've got an app that you download onto your phone and you can control the jacket. So what you do is you register your details into the app and then you connect the unit to that app. So you can have multiple units. If you've got a Dainese race suit and a Smart Air, you can connect both to it. That gives you things like battery life, which for this one it takes a couple of hours to charge, but you'll get 12 hours worth of use in the battery on this model. So once you've registered and charged the unit, it's ready to go. It's as simple as unclipping that, closing the clip on here, and that actually activates the jacket. You'll see here it cycles through some colours, it tells you how much battery's left, which you can check on the app as well. So once it goes blue, it's ready to go. The jacket will arm either from movement of 10 kilometres an hour or more, or if it registers that your bike's vibrating and it can tell that your bike's running. If you're on an electric motorcycle, obviously there's no vibration, so it will arm once you exceed 10 kilometres an hour.
So once you've got the jacket on, you're ready to go, if you lose your phone or you're no longer connected to your phone, does this still work?
100%, so it's a full standalone unit. You register it through the app, but you don't need the app to use it. So literally you just close that clip, goes blue, and you're ready to go.
And battery life for the jacket?
We get 12 hours use out of this one, so it'll take a couple of hours to charge and you get a full 12 hours.
Okay, so once the jacket has been deployed, we don't want to see it deployed, but if it has been deployed, is that the end of the jacket or you can still use it?
Absolutely not. So new technology in these is we now get 3 deployments out of an airbag. So in the back here, we've got our control unit and the gas canister that deploys the jacket. The gas canister is replaceable, so you can buy a replacement one, even carry it with you if you're going on a long trip. You can change that out yourself and you'll get 3 deployments. All of the deployments are logged on the app as well.
And in terms of the airbag, is that something that needs to be replaced as well?
After the 3rd deployment, yes, absolutely. Both the gas cylinder and the airbag need to be replaced, so you just take it back into a store and we'll organise that for you.
All right, well, let's talk about the airbag. How does it work and what makes this better than the previous iteration?
Well, coverage and lightweight, so really easy to wear. Dainese did a lot of work on what consumers need, and they made something that's so light and so easy to wear that you wear it on every ride. As far as the airbag goes, the size of the airbag's been increased, and Dainese use their own unique filament system inside the airbag. So when it deploys, there's filaments inside that connect the bag, so that if you have an impact here, it doesn't just expand in a different area. It stays really rock solid all the way through and gives you protection all the way across your chest, up over the top of the jacket, and all the way down to the back to here. So it's the equivalent of 8 chest protectors and 8 back protectors.
You said this was for road use. Can you use it off-road as well?
You can to a degree, so you can do light off-road. If you're doing anything where your wheels are coming off the ground or the suspension's fully bottoming out, then that's a no. It might register that you're in danger. However, dirt roads, light adventure riding, that sort of stuff, it's perfect.
I feel like you've covered just about everything, but what about sizes?
So really simple for this one. Men's and ladies are all the same, 3 sizes from extra small through to double extra large. So Dainese have really created a protective jacket that's super easy to use and lightweight, so you can wear it on every single ride.
It is incredible technology. Thank you so much, Damien. If you'd like any more information on the Dainese Smart Air jacket, head to your nearest AMX superstore, or of course, all the information is there for you on the website.